Now this is chapter 5 of Exemplar, Continuity and Differentiability, and this is example 11. Now here y is equal to sine inverse in the bracket, it's x root 1 minus x minus root x root 1 minus x square, where x lies between 0 to 1. You are to find the value of dy by dx. Now here y is given sine inverse x and root 1 minus x minus root x root 1 minus x square. Now this is equal to sine inverse, write this x as root x. राइट अगेन दोबारा से बता रही हूँ, इस x को रूट x होल स्क्वायर हम लिख सकते हैं, तो आप x की जगह रूट x होल स्क्वायर लिख रहे हो. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x रूट 1 माइनस रूट x होल स्क्वायर माइनस रूट x रूट 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर. नाउ टेक x एज साइन a एंड रूट x एज साइन b. फिर से सुनो, आपने x को क्या लिखा, साइन a, और रूट x को क्या लिखा, साइन b. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ x आई एम गोइंग टू राइट साइन a, इंस्टेड ऑफ रूट x आई एम गोइंग टू राइट साइन b. सो दिस बिकम्स साइन इनवर्स, इंस्टेड ऑफ x साइन a, instead of x root x sin b. It means in the bracket I'll have 1 minus sin square b minus root x is again sin b and minus 1 minus x is equal to sin a. So instead of this x I have written sin square a. Now this is equal to sin inverse sin a 1 minus sin square b is equal to cos b. 1 minus sin square b is equal to cos square b. Cos square b root that will be equal to cos b minus sin b. Similarly, this is equal to cos square a and that is equal to cos a. Now this is equal to sin inverse sin a minus b. Sin a cos b minus sin b cos a. This is equal to sin a minus b. This is a formula for sin a minus b. Now sin inverse sin, it is cancelled. So I have y is equal to a minus b. So instead of a, I am going to write, what I am going to write? Since sin a is x, so instead of a I am going to write sin inverse x, and root x is equal to sin b. It means sin inverse root x is equal to b. It means b is equal to sin inverse root x. So instead of a, I am going to write sin inverse x minus b sin inverse root x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to differentiate sin inverse x. This is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus sin inverse root x. This is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus root x whole square with respect to root x. So d by dx is equal to root x. So this is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus 1 upon root 1 minus x, because root x whole square is equal to x. And differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. This is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square minus 1 upon 2 root x root 1 minus x. That is the answer. Now example 12. X is equal to a sec cube theta, y is equal to a tan cube theta. Find dy by dx if theta is equal to pi by 3. Now x is equal to a sec cube theta. So dx by d theta is a. Differentiate this with respect to sec theta. Differentiate sec cube theta with respect to sec theta. So this is equal to 3 sec square theta d by d theta sec theta. So 3a sec square theta and differentiation of sec theta is sec theta tan theta. So this is equal to 3a sec cube theta tan theta. Multiply these two, you will have sec cube theta tan theta. Now y is equal to a tan cube theta. dy by d theta is a 3 tan square theta d by d theta tan theta. So differentiated, I have differentiated this with respect to tan theta. So that is equal to 3a 3 tan square theta d by d theta tan theta. This is equal to 3a tan square theta. Differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta. Now I am to find dy by dx. That is equal to dy by d theta multiplied by d theta by dx. dy by d theta is 3a tan square theta sec square theta, and d theta by dx is equal to reciprocal of this. So this is equal to 1 by 3a sec cube theta and tan theta. Now here 3a is cancelled. Now 3a is cancelled, and here after cutting the number you are left with tan theta upon sec theta. So this is equal to sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. So that is equal to sin theta. I am to find dy by dx as theta pi by 3. So this is equal to, instead of this theta, write pi by 3. So sin pi by 3, that is equal to root 3 by 2. So that is the answer. Example 13. If x raised to power y is equal to e raised to power x minus y, you are to prove dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Now here x raised to power y is equal to e raised to power x minus y. Now taking log on both sides, you take log on both sides. So if you take log on this side, this will become y log x. If you take log on this side, you will have x minus y log e. Log e is 1. So you will have y log x is equal to x minus y. So y log x plus y is equal to x. Take this y to this side. You will have y log x plus y is equal to x. Take y common. Log x plus 1 in the bracket is equal to x. So value of y is equal to x upon log x plus 1. Now you are to find the dy by dx. So this is u by v method. Differentiate this. So you will have 1. Then you write log x plus 1. 1 plus log x plus 1 and the same thing. Minus x as it is, and differentiation of this will be equal to 1 by x upon 1 plus log x whole square. This is equal to 1 plus log x minus 1. So you will have log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. So we have proved dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x whole square. Now question 14 is, if y is equal to tan x plus sec x, prove that d square y upon dx square is equal to cos x upon 1 minus sin x whole square. Now its solution is y is equal to tan x plus sec x. We are to find a double derivative. So first we will find dy by dx, then we will find d square y upon dx square, second derivative. So y is equal to tan x plus sec x. dy by dx is equal to differentiation of tan x is sec square x plus differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Now let me simplify it. Sec square x can be written as 1 over cos square x plus sec x is 1 over cos x, tan x is sin x by cos x. Now this is equal to 1 over cos square x plus sin x upon cos square x. Now take the LCM. This is equal to 1 plus sin x in the numerator. Now this is equal to 1 plus sin x. Cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x. This is equal to 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sine square x can be written as 1 minus sine x, 1 plus sine x. 1 plus sine x, 1 plus sine x is cancelled. I am left with 1 minus 1 upon sine x. This is equal to 1 minus sine x minus 1. This thing can be written as this. Now I have dy by dx as 1 minus sine x raised to power minus 1. Now I am to find the second derivative, that is d square y upon dx square. This is equal to differentiate this with respect to 1 minus sine x. So I'll have minus 1 minus sine x minus 1 minus 1 d by dx 1 minus sine x. Now this is equal to minus 1 minus sine x minus 2, and differentiation of this is equal to minus cos x. Now this is equal to cos x minus minus plus, so I'll have cos x in the numerator, 1 minus sine x whole square in the denominator. This is what we want to prove. Now example 15 is, if fx is equal to mod of cos x, find f dash 3 pi by 4. Now fx is mod of cos x. Let us take x as 3 pi by 4. That is equal to 135 degree. So x lies between pi by 2 to pi. And in this interval, if we draw the function of cos x is negative. इस इंटरवल में 90 डिग्री और 180 के बीच में जो cos x फंक्शन होता है, अगर उसको हम ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो नेगेटिव होता है. It means fx here is minus cos x. Now here fx is mod of cos x. In the interval, if x lies between pi by 2 to pi, in this interval cos x is negative. So fx is equal to minus cos x. Now let's take its derivative. So f dash x is minus, derivation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus minus plus, this is equal to sin x. Now f dash x is equal to sin x. Instead of x, write 3 pi by 4. So f dash 3 pi by 4 is equal to sin 3 pi by 4. If you calculate this, it will come out to be 1 by root 2. So value of sin 3 pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. अगर आपको इसको कैलकुलेशन करने में प्रॉब्लम आती है तो साइन 135 डिग्री को अगर आप कैलकुलेट करोगे तो वो आपके पास वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1 by root 2. Now example 16. fx is mod cos x minus sin x. Find f dash pi by 6. Now pi by 6 is 30 degree. And this x lies between 0 to pi by 4. In this interval 0 to pi by 4, if we see the graph of cos x and sin x, cos x is greater than sin x. अगर इस इंटरवल में cos x और sin x का ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया जाए तो आप क्या नोटिस करोगे? cos x is greater than sin x. It means cos x minus sin x is greater than 0. So if fx is mod of cos x minus sin x, so in this interval fx will be positive. So fx is equal to cos x minus sin x. So f dash x is equal to, अगर इसका आप डेरिवेशन लेते हो दैट इज माइनस साइन एक्स का डेरिवेशन cos x होता है, तो आपके पास आ जाएगा f dash x is equal to minus sin x minus cos x. Take minus common, you'll have sin x plus cos x in the bracket. So instead of x, write pi by 6. So you will have f dash pi by 6 is equal to minus sin pi by 6 plus cos pi by 6. Minus sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2 plus cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is common. You will have 1 plus root 3 in the bracket. So that is the value of f dash pi by 6. That is the answer.